Alright class, welcome to AP Euro. Let's get going with our first board here. The topic, Medieval Empire, Byzantine and the Islamic religion. Our essential question, how did the medieval empires build after the fall of the Roman Empire? The Byzantine Empire, survival of the Roman Empire. The Roman Empire fell in the 400s. Emperor Justine ruled the Byzantine Empire from 527 to 565. From Constantinople. This was in the eastern Mediterranean, so the Roman Empire was based out of Italy, from Rome, but after the fall of the Roman Empire, the empire moved much more to the east, and that was the beginning of the Byzantine Empire. A shift of religious power to the east, so there were at times a Roman, a leader of the Roman Catholic Church, a pope in Italy, and one in the east in Constantinople. So that was the start of the Greek Orthodox Church. Now Justin provides a unified code of law that would be used all throughout the empire. At the height of the Byzantine Empire, it controlled most of the Mediterranean Sea area. The Orthodox Church begins to rule in the eastern part of the Med, separate from the Roman Catholic Church. So this separation then set the scene for a split of power. The rise of Islam. Muhammad, a wealthy merchant in the Arabian Peninsula, writes the Word of God in the Quran, or the Bible, for the Islamic people. And this took place in the early 600s. He unites Mecca and Medina under a monotheistic message, which unites all the Arabian Peninsula. In 632, Muhammad starts the Islamic religion. People who follow Islam are called Muslims. Muslims follow the 5 pillars of Islam. Similar to Christians who have the 10 Commandments, Muslims follow the 5 pillars of Islam. After Muhammad died, his relatives led Islam, but shortly after this there was a religious split. And this is what the point of contention is in many Middle Eastern countries today. You have the Sunnis who follow a caliph or a religious and political leader, or you have the Shiites who follow a direct line from Muhammad. So this split that happened in the 600s, 700s led to and still has religious wars even to this day all around the Middle East. Now Islam spreads into Europe. Islam moved into Spain and the Balkan region in the late 750s. The Islamic religion was advanced, made numerous contributions: humanity, math, astronomy, chemistry, medicine, philosophy, literature. At the time of the Middle Ages, in a time when many people, the majority of the people in Europe, the Dark Ages, could not read or write, Islam was making many advances. It's due to Islam that we have the writings of Plato and Socrates, Aristotle today. They kept those writings alive, whereas in Europe there weren't very many educated people at all. Islam is able to unite all of the Middle East and most of the Mediterranean under one law, and this led to the rise of Islam. All right, history's no mystery. Take good notes.